New windshield wipers for a busted windshield. Good hands though, on a shitty car. Alright, this is the majority of the crap out. It's definitely going to need driver's side panel. Probably rear right here too. Passenger side. Back seem fine. So probably just these. Maybe I can patch them in, we'll see, like I did the General. I think I'll get that one for sure and get this one for sure. I'm probably going to need the inner rockers too. There's a dent I somewhat fixed. I'm going to vacuum out the inside of the doors. It's been a long day. These always suck. One little crack and they won't work. So we're back on the wheels. I got about a fourth of the hood put back together, sanded down. Got the rear bumper off, which took about 3 hours. Trunk lid is ready for epoxy. And interior floors, these sides definitely need to be replaced. So that'll be coming down the line.